Welcome to yet another tutorial of Scratch. Now, so this is what this particular program can do. One question is being asked by one of the viewer on my YouTube channel that if he don't want to display a variable like this one, it has no meaning over here, but it is here. So how can I hide this variable? So let's see first of all how to hide this. See, you when you go to variable, you can see that I have declared a variable with the name size. So if I don't want this to appear, I can just uncheck it. It will not be displayed there now. Now let's get back to the coding. So over here you can see that I have this sprite is the car, and these are the colors. When I click on these colors, the car change the color accordingly. So I have taken this car, then I have taken the costumes of different colors. So I will be having this color, just duplicated them and just change the color. And I have taken another sprite which is there in the button, and I have colored it with whatever the color I want my car to be. And I have taken one more sprite for the sound. It's here, right? So let's see how we can make this particular program. Let's get started with a new file. So over here I don't want this cat, I'm going to delete this. Then I choose a backdrop and let's delete this one, I don't need this. So that's my backdrop. Now it's time to choose the sprites. So I'll just look for my car over here, and this is the one which I have chosen. Now I want this car to move from top to the center, and it should increase in the size. So what I'll do, I'll take to when the flag is clicked, this should be set to 25%. The size should be 25%, so that is in looks. Set size to 25%, right? And then it should be over here. And so right now the side position is this, which is motion as well. So go to this particular position and the size should be 25. And then what do you want? It should come over here. So glide to this position and the size should also increase. Okay, so after a second or so, I'll ask it to wait for 1 second and then glide. So this car should glide to this position, right? So right now the position is something 10. So glide over here, and then it should change the size as well. For that what we'll do, and it should achieve its 100%. So we will see repeat, keep on increasing the size until you got your 100%. So we will go to control and we'll see repeat until block here, and we have to compare. So I'll just declare a variable over here, size. Want that the size should be equals to 100%, so that we am going to compare, and it's here in operators. So 100%, and the variable is here, size. So it should increase until the size is 100%. Okay, and it is visible here, and then it should increase the size by, so we have to go to looks, set size to 100%. I want, see 100% is smaller, so what I can do is I can make it bigger, like 300 or 200, whatever you prefer, like this. And if you want to change the position of the car to here, let's see what is the position. So I can glide to right now. I just want it's to 2 and 45. Glide to 2 and 45. Let's see. Right, so this is done with the car. Now I have to take another sprite for the colors. Let's take that. I have chosen this button, so it's a very big in size, so I'm just going to do it 25. It's too small, so let's make it 50. That's fine, and just keep it here. Now go to costume, and I just want to change the color. Let's take the red color and fill that. Alright, and now what I'm going to do, let's do one part, that when I click on this button, this red color, it should change the color of the car. So it should broadcast a message. The car should receive the message that it has to change the costume. So let's see how we can do that. We'll go to events. This button, when I'll click on this, so when this sprite is clicked, it's going to broadcast a message. So I'll click on new message. I'll say you just do it red. Okay, and then I'll go to this car and make another costume. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate this, and then I'm going to fill the red color inside. Okay, this way. Now you can name it over here. For example, this is the original one, so I'll just give it original name, and this one is red, so it will be easier for me to recognize. Red. Now when this car is going to receive the message, that when I'm going to receive the message red, I have to switch the costume. So switch costume to red. Now what will happen? It has changed the color to red, right? So what you have to do is you have to keep the original one when the flag is clicked. So let's see. Right now if I click on this, it is going to change the color. So same way I'm going to have different colors and different costume for the car. So let's do it. So similarly I have got this color. The coding for this particular block is this for the car. Okay, so for this I just have on this coding similarly for the other colors. Only this they are all going to broadcast the message. These color will broadcast the message will be which is going to be received by the car. So when this car is going to receive a particular color, it is going to change the costume. So I will show you the costume. This is the original one, this is the turquoise, this is the red, blue, sorry it's orange, green is there, and the red. Okay, and this is the code. Now all we have to do is we have to add the sound. So what I have done, I just clicked on this paint. This will create a sprite for me. Then I'll go to code, and for adding the sound I'll click on when the flag is clicked. I want a sound, so I'll look for a sound over here, and I search over here. Yeah, this one. So what I can do is I can make it softer, and I have also used the fade in. So this I'm going to use. So what I'll do, I just when the flag is clicked, it has to repeat itself. So control forever and go to sound. Look, it's working. So this is how. That's it. I hope you liked it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe my channel. share it, to comment. If you have any problem, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section below. And if you want a particular tutorial, do let me know in my comment section. Go to my channel, you have lots of stuff over there. Thank you. Bye bye.